Thank you, President. The spyware scandal has shown how little importance our fundamental rights are for some governments. In Hungary, Poland, Cyprus, Greece, and Spain, they have not only violated the right to privacy, but also the right to freedom of thought. Pegasus, Predator, and whatever spyware comes next are used by democratic governments to threat political dissidents like dangerous terrorists. Should journalists be treated like terrorists in a democratic state? Should attorneys be spied while defending political dissidents? Should families and friends of politicians be on the Secret Service's radar? No, of course not. I wish I didn't have to state this in this Parliament. We have the right to our freedom of thought. In Greece, at least, this is being under investigation, but not in Spain, where the Catalangate has just been covered up. The Commission has the obligation to put a stop to this. Thank you very much.